Welcome to Smart AGRIHUB. Today we talk about the current trend of making 3D name DP free with iTools. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Now you open Microsoft browser. Here search Bing I. Scroll down. Click on the Bing I image generator. Now you write a beautiful prompt. As I write earlier, we will paste it and see. I have provided the prompt in the video description. Images are created in seconds. Now you can create 3D images with your name. Okay, Allah Hafiz.